Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to customize the control center on Vivo. If you're using a Vivo phone and now you want to customize your control center on Vivo, so let's see how can you do this. Just scroll down your control center and here you'll get all of the shortcuts and widgets on your control center. If you want to edit these shortcuts, you just have to select edit icon and here you'll get all the shortcuts of your phone. If you want to delete something from here, you just have to select it and then select down, so it will be deleted. But if you want to add more, you have to keep a long press on the icon and then put it here. So that's how you can easily customize the control center. But if you want to completely change the control center of your phone, so let's see how can you do this. For this you have a simple way. You have to install a third-party application for the purpose. So go for Play Store and then search. If you want to customize your this control center in a unique style, so you have to install MI Control Center. Just look for it and install this application, which with the help of this application you can easily customize the theme and the colors of the icons and the size etc. You can easily customize your this control center. But if you want to completely change this control center you and want to get the iOS control center, so let me explain how can you do this. For this you must have to look for control center iOS 16. Just look for it and here look for the best app for your phone, and here's the best app which having 4.5 rating, so let's select it. And here's the download all 5 million plus, so it will be best for your phone. I'm already going to install it, so just tap on install and the app will be installed on your phone. Now wait for installation and then we'll do a setup. As the app is now installed, now tap on open, and here you have to do a simple setup to change your control center. So you just have to tap on this select I have read and agree to the privacy policy, then tap on next and then tap on next again and then select finish. Now you have to allow this all access. So after that just select allow and enable the access of the Swiss phone, and here you have to select your iPhone control center and enable it. Now you can easily use the app. Now select continue, then select get started and then enable control center, and after that you can easily use iOS control center of your on your phone. So just scroll down control center from here. But if it doesn't work, you have to look for another iOS control center app from Play Store. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until the next video, bye bye.